Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another Roblox adventure, another Roblox MM2 video. Me with that, Will, and we are just in MM2. And this is my new avatar. I changed it again, and this is my brother's new avatar, Purple Man for Life. And we both bought crates yesterday. He got super lucky. I got very unlucky. So where's his new knife? Yeah, that's his new knife he got yesterday. And then I got this love.
Yeah, I got the pack first try, and I traded this loser.
Yeah.
I gave him a uncommon knife, and he gave me, is it rare green?
Yeah. No, it's yeah, rare.
He gave me rare, and then an okay gun knife that's common, and then a bad knife that's also
pretty much given 3 knives.
I didn't have any knife skins because I don't want those, but at least I have one now.
Yeah.
But he was dumb.
Man, this is a really boring round so far. Because now I just magically teleported into this cellar green. Okay, so my brother just died. And
He's level 31.
31. I'm level 90.
How does he have nothing?
Because he probably doesn't buy anything. He's only saving a coin to like an effect or something. Oh, that's a creepy guy. Wait, that guy? No, that guy that just had XP. I don't know. But oh, I see your body, brother. Nee. Oh, she just died. Oh, I think I found the murderer. Oh, did I just pass him?
I'm trading someone.
Okay. Don't get juked, brother. Holy crap. Freak. Okay, well, I died. Okay, guys, so I'm in again. New round, new life. People are everywhere.
It's a good day for trading. People are just
spamming it, yeah. Oh my gosh!
Oh wait, well I didn't see. Oh!
Found them. They have fire effect and they just killed the little bacon girl. Don't go to it. That's where the murder is. You gonna die now. Oh, they're upstairs. I'm running back down. Will, if you're in that room.
I'm in here. Go in that room. I'm right here.
Oh my god.
I'm behind the computer.
They were downstairs.
Stop jumping around. Is this downstairs?
Yeah. Yo, guys. Oh my god, the body's right there. I don't know how she didn't see me. So scary. So we both walked into this room. He died. His body. He thought.
You stopped it?
No, I'm recording.
And then you unstopped it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Why?
Because I got teleported to a magic room. So you guys hear stabbing all around. Not that much. There's a lot of time left with my body right there. My brother's body. I'm just sitting having a great time. Oh, man. Wait, what am I? Okay. So not that much important stuff is going on. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff going on around here, guys. I'm tired, by the way. Okay. Let's see. I think I'll make a run for it. Make a run for it. No, once it hits 830 XP. 830 XP, so now I'm gonna take a book for it. We won. We won, guys. Ooh, we won. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see next round. Innocent again. It's gonna be murderer. I really murdered in a video. That's what makes it look good. Boom. Who just freaking teleported? Oh, I will. I don't trust that you're innocent. I think that you're a murderer. I don't know, not me. But I know you're a murderer, Will. Get away from me.
see the shit.
So what do they look like? Oh, crap.
Never mind, I don't see them. Oh,
I'm out.
Lord.
Alright, guys, you guys here? Oh, come on. Time to learn a little secret about this game. So go under these staircases. Oh, oh! Look at this. Oh, look at the bio blades, too. Oh, we made it into the secret room, guys. Late every day. Hey, I just say. I'm in the afterlife. I'm a guardian angel. Now I'm going to go watch it for my brother. Where's he at?
Oh, she's killing everyone except for 2 people.
Oh, you're here. Oh, hey there, brother.
Someone has the drive.
I just realized how tall I am. Alright, let's get this spectator game. Oh, why is she floating? Bro, this is just a trash game. I mean, not an actual game, but just this round.
Did you stop it?
No, not yet. I'm about to do that. Okay, let's see what's up. Guys, we're in a secret area right now. We're in a little room in the lobby, but that doesn't matter at all right now. Okay, guys. And I think I'm innocent. Sucks. But that's all right. Oh, crap! I can't really trust him doing. Oh, I thought I just saw a knife. This guy's murder. $10 at the bald guy. $10 at you, Will. Okay, I can trust you. Rampage, bro. It's raining outside. Oh! Probably left. Let's go, boys. Easy dub. No. Yeah, we won, boys. I knew it was him, man. I knew it was that guy.
How do you get stuff from the Halloween and Christmas stuff?
Is when Halloween and Christmas come around, and then you collect candies, and then Christmas, Santa's in the lobby. You go to him, collect.
One's like candy?
Yeah.
Candy instead?
Yeah. And then you can buy Halloween crates. But you can. It's Halloween, so October, which is in like 2 months.
So is it a month like that?
Oh, it goes to like December. I don't know why. But we're gonna, go to another. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another Roblox adventure. Just kidding, guys. We are in a new round, and you guys will not believe I made this again. That sucks. Okay, anyway. Oh, whoa. Can't trust anybody here. Ah! Ah! Oh! Who is it, Bill? You know who it is? It's you. It's you, I'm gonna shoot you. Oh, this girl. It's a pink curly girl. Huh? Talk smack? Okay. Sup? See ya. This girl be trash. Sucks to be her, boys. Okay. That was an easy one. Let's see my... Yeah. You got me wrong. That's not what I look like. That's not what I look like. Alright. Let's go to bio. As we're innocent, you can tell because this game starts in. My chance to be murdered is 5%. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Oh man. Oh! Did you just die? That Will was the first person to die. Okay. No one tells me I'm just getting these coins. Oh. Can you tell them what they look like? Oh, I think I might have just found the murderer. She walks out super late.
You can go live on YouTube, right?
Yeah. Okay. Pretty boring right now. I know the murderer is on the loose. But still, okay, I'm closing this. I see your body, Will. Okay. I think I know the murderers. I think it's that girl that walked out late.
Undo it.
Okay, we're innocent again.
How much time has been on that?
10 minutes.
How long can we go for?
15. So I have another to get like a few rounds in. Kinda sucks, guys, that we're innocent, but I mean, but you gotta deal with it. Whee! I'm gonna miss. Whew. This is getting a little intense. Coin. Go. Another one down. Oh, shoot, and that has to be the sheriff. No one even saw that! Oh, God, that's funny. Sheriff, thank you for the gun. I'll take the gun. Let's go, boys. My trick shots are insane with this gun. Okay, I think I'm going up there. Really? Skirt. Oh my God! I've seen this. Yo, I heard. Yo, I'm insane.
And that wasn't Ryan. Carson.
I am insane today. I am insane today. Bye, Will. What?
Where is he?
I don't know.
He's banging from the other room?
Yeah.
Where's everyone else? Are you kidding? Okay, I don't care. All I got was this epic trick shot. Who was it?
Bobby Man Rose.
Oh my
It's
God.
okay because she's prestige level 35.
Yeah, someone sent me try to quest. What do you want? Manula.
Can you not trade people like that are high?
Okay.
Oh.
Sometimes they turn their trades off.
The top. Oh.
Turn it off because sometimes it's annoying because they have good knives.